I mean, you don't send a fire and a bun from with it. So little social media, you will try a thing and look some clothes and something.
So what's up, my Flava family? Respect for tuning into another video, and I just want to say big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, large up on yourself to the max. Flava Media Ent TV, really appreciate you all and appreciate all of your thoughts down into the comment section. So you know, always remember to drop the comments, them viewers and subscribers. But anyways, coming up in this video, well, basically FOOTA hype and Iwan is at the all-out war, viewers and subscribers, because FOOTA hype is a man where always a burn out certain things and a burn out Rasta, and make a Rasta them know say at the end of the day basically them now burn out certain things again. You see me, I say like in the past, you see me, and basically FOOTA hype make that speech on one time live, and you don't know Iwan like him take it personally. You see me, I say people, and basically Iwan do a performance and Iwan make a speech, and it come like that speech affect FOOTA hype viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But here where we are gonna do, me now go tell you nothing about that right now because you know how we do the thing already. Me I go just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. Me soon forward.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
So basically, as what I said before, people, FOOTA hype rush Iwan wicked viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Because basically, FOOTA hype, as what I said before, is a man where him always a lick out pan Rasta, and I make the Rasta them know, even sizzla, all I man them lick out pan and make him man them know. Say, watch out at the end of the day. Uno say uno a Rasta and uno nah lick out pan certain things where I go on in the country. Uno nah lick out pan the government certain things where them a do. You understand what I mean? And basically, Iwan take that personal viewers and subscribers, and Iwan make a speech on stage, and basically FOOTA hype never like that speech there. You see me I say, and at the end of the day the speech where Iwan make, like Iwan I say basically some boy a internet bad man, you see me, and love run off them mouth on internet etc. You see me I say people. So watch now, I have the video and me gonna make you check it out viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Where FOOTA hype really I say, I want to tell me down in the comment section what you think about where I said basically overall, because at the end of the day when me listen to the whole thing, where FOOTA hype I say a real thing viewers and subscribers, because at the end of the day the rest of them now burn out nothing again. You understand what I mean? Like one time in the past, you see me? Even the alphabet people, them get even more popular in Jamaica. Yeah. You see me? You know, hear no Rasta say nothing because they're afraid of them. You understand what I mean? So here what, viewers and subscribers, we are going to just jump down in the video now and make Uno tell me what Uno think about all of this down into the comment section. You understand? So here what, check out the video.
Hardcore say till it want out. Who social media bad boy want draw out. Fire still a blaze and in out.
Me rate Iwan as a righteous warrior, but me not take back what me say. Iwan, you nah burn no fire for the longest while. You have some people, oh, Iwan alone a burn fire, ain't burning no fucking fire. Iwan, I sing the same old song them when him used to do all long. And I edit him words them when him go up on certain show same way. You compromise. FOOTA not take back that way him say. See? So what I'm saying is, Iwan did on a performance last night and him a go say him noticed some social media boy a talk and about him not burn no fire. Then him say some social media bad man can't draw him out. The way I speak, me know me talk. I will. Let me clarify this first. Me am no bad man at all. Neither social media nor in a real life, me am a bad man. Me is a defender of self. You see me? Me is a defender of righteousness. Me tough in a real life and me tough on social media. Me not easy for this and me not easy to get violated, because there's repercussions. I can get violated and I can get disrespected because I am not God Almighty, but problem I got dead it. So don't get it wrong, I am not a bad man. And Iwan, you are not a bad man either. So don't come drop no word. Rasta not drop word. Rasta not show shade. You have to forward out and tell the people them say FOOTA hype. They on social media, I say you nah burn no fire. Me don't want you go round the corner and I speak and I show shade. Rasta not show shade. Rasta talk plain and straight. He is not a bad man, neither highway, he is a righteous warrior. So we are go about social media bad man, whether social media real life, speaking the truth now have nothing to do with badness. It now have nothing to do with badness. So as a Rasta, you know if you come and show no shade and the pan stage a drop word, me can tell you straight when me attack say, you me attack highway. You me attack. You nah burn no fire. Or no call up. That a me straight and plain I call your name and I tell you say, I win one of the man them when nah burn no fire. Me nah go around the corner and show no shade.
Yes, so basically people, we FOOTA hype say right so. FOOTA hype basically I say, watch you know, him rate Iwan, but him rate Iwan as a righteous warrior. You see me I say, animal make Iwan know say, watch you know at the end of the day, that talk the way you make about social media, bad man and them thing there. You see me, them thing they no relevant cause at the end of the day, FOOTA hype make him know say, watch you know, me a no bad man, none at all. You see me, me go can defend my thing. Him make Iwan know say, you are no bad man neither, you is a righteous warrior. You see me? And at the end of the day, them nah but no nothing right now, you see me? And them make highway know say, watch you no need fever, pre them thing there. And so I make highway know say, watch Rasta no deal with true word. You see me I say, FOOTA hype make him know say, watch anything when him talk about him talk it loud and clear for him ear. So how him come on stage and a true word, you see me? So right there, so the man I make highway know say that little thing the way you do, that thing they look shaky on Rasta side, you see me? Cause you come up and talk about some boy. The man I say, watch call me name. Just say a FOOTA hype you attack, you see me? Because when me talk straight, you see me? But basically people, here what? Continue check out the video.
When we are fight for righteousness, we not show shade. Me have to come in sizzla, because me hear the street attack. Junior reach show one night, I don't see the performance yet. Be a people and message Mr. Sizzla burn a wicked fire. And burn the fire the right way. So what I went do last night, just cement to me say the Rasta them a hear what me I say, them know what me I say are the right thing. Why Rasta people find the energy to address FOOTA hype, we are support the cause where them supposed to fight for. But me see gay flag put up a Jamaica up a embassy, will not say nothing. Me see Andrew Olney sell the people them bottom, will not say nothing. Me see teacher now get pay, will not say nothing. Me see police now get pay, firefighter now get pay. Them are introduce gender equality in a university. Will not talk, but you find the time I win. If you go up on a stage and remember say FOOTA are ridiculous enough bonfire and I try to shade of that is hypocrisy I win. I win that show the level of weakness we wanna have. Uno quick for address FOOTA hype. When FOOTA now say nothing wrong, FOOTA say what uno supposed to say. So all you have to do a giant forces with FOOTA hype and do the right thing. But no, uno rather war FOOTA hype. Where you come from a talk about social media bad man? How badness reaching a righteousness? So uno rather for war me and kill me when me a defend for uno thing. Me a fight for what uno fear do. Out of everything else we are happening in Jamaica, I will find the time to go up and film performance. Fear true shade at FOOTA hype. You're a hypocrite, I will. So basically, FOOTA hype make I will know say watch him a hypocrite, you see me, and Rasta no play hypocrisy with people, you see me I say FOOTA hype say yo watch him a fight for the thing them where the Rasta fear fight about, but yet still I will find time, you see me, for reply to him, you see me, but him nah find time for lick out pan when him supposed to lick out pan and burn out when him supposed to burn out, you see me, and basically when you look into that, I no lie the man I tell you see me I say big woman thing, and
As well I said before, Rasta now but no, nothing at all, viewers and subscribers. Right now in a today day, just check the math and check the levels. You see me? Him and them water down them thing big time. You see me? And basically at that FOOTA hyper make him know. FOOTA hyper make him know say watch a man you move like a little hypocrite, like a little big bitch. Cause basically at the end of the day, talk, see me talk, you see me? No grow no corner, hide like, yeah, try say at the end of the day, say, yo, wait, and then you go towards your friend them and I say, yo, a FOOTA hype, me did that talk, man. A hypocrite style that, you see me? A woman style that overall. So basically what FOOTA hype I say right, I say, and a lie I tell. FOOTA hype all I say, watch you know, him now here, none of the Rasta them a burn out evil and joyless them a do. And I bring in the gender equality in the college to them. You see me? Teachers now get paid. Whole heap of things go on in the country and no Rasta now burn them out. No Rasta now speak out and say nothing at all. You see me? So I say right now, basically Rasta them weak and that them for know and him say yo basically him not stop say so. You see me? But here are people carrying on to the video.
I wait, hear me now want you though. Me now want you looking at the camera and think about what you want to say. Two words FOOTA hype. I want you to go and look in the mirror. And I want you Iwan to ask Iwan, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you not doing what you're chosen to do? And that more you do, you know. Me no want you go up on social media or try attack FOOTA hype. Go and look in the mirror and attack yourself, my friend. You have lost it. Why you think you not have no hit song in the longest? When last have we gotten a hit song from Iwan? Come in there for run a joke with you, you know. As you ramp with me, I bring it to the forefront. I bring it to the forefront, Iwan, because I rate you. But you don't rate yourself. For you, find the energy and time to go up on your performance, go throw a shade off of me. You know, throw a shade off of the flag up at embassy. You know, throw a shade off of the gender rights, so them a look for in our school, them a Jamaica. You know, throw a shade after Christopher Tufton, where they are forced to pity them for take joke and the future of the country, where them poison and inoculate the people them. You know, me not hear ya throw no shade off of how much innocent woman and picnic are dead at Jamaica. Me not hear ya throw no shade off of how the police them a take all the people them thing down a market and a mash up the people them stall. Me not hear you throw no bomb cloud shade about that. So you come throw shade about social media bad man. Me a bad man in a real life. I'm bad for real. But I'm bad by defending myself. You know, see me I go out there and use brute force on people. But you come and show a word. Got show a word about that. Show a word about the pastor them I put them hand in the little boy them brief. Oh, you not talk about that again. Want to lava splash where you say. No lava not splash. A ice water come out of the volcano now. Why have you been skipping and siding and dodging the real issues in Jamaica? But you want to come address social media. Then if you don't have no social media, how you come and talk about social media bad man attack? Oh, you hear? Oh, you find out. So you're not here. Say Andrew take 30 million for invoke gender equality up at UA and in a regular school. You not hear that. You hear say FOOTA burn Rasta because them not burn the fire. But you not hear that. I when you can't ramp with me now. You can't frighten me. Get up and do the job what you're supposed to bomb clock do. And FOOTA won't have nothing to say.
The real talk people. What FOOTA hype basically as a writer, so analyze my tell you see me? Yeah, man basically I make them know say, if you get up and do no work and do what you're supposed to do. You see me? Rasta fi preach peace, love and unity and burn down for anything where them see a go on negative in the country. You see me? I say, he must say every day then get up about Babylon. He not hear them a burn out nothing. He must say he not hear them a burn out the flag up at embassy. You see me? And basically he not burn out the gender equality where Andrew Wellness them a bring in a country. And be a them little thing the viewers and subscribers. And when you really look into it, them and I say, I live in facts. Tell me truth. Since when you hear a tune who from a Rasta where I beat down upon certain things. You see me? I beat down upon inequality. You see me? The local vendor them where them are trouble every day. You see me? And I take away people them goods and I go on with baiting. the hike appear where them a take for themselves, but yet still minimum wage they at a thing called 13,000 viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So basically at that man I say, yo, the rest of them now lick out for none at all, and them now burn out nothing, and then weak and then shaky, you see me I say people. But here what, carrying on to the video.
Get up and do the job where you're supposed to do. Uno run from uno work. Uno soft out. Uno weak out. And you cannot stop me from saying that, I win. Me have proof say you not burn no fire. We have proof. Why you think you not have no hit song in the longest? Because your content is weak as fuck. Your content weak like shit. Let me tell you straight. Come in and want to chat behind your back. I win. Your content weak as fuck. So your song can't hit. Because we know you for burn fire. You not burn no pussy clot fire, so you can't get no hit. When artists do the right song, radar man have to find it and play it. Selector have to find it and play it. The reason why radar man now play highway song them, and sound man now play highway song because the song them now make it. Stop the hypocritical, the bumbo clot song them now make it. Because the content in the fucking song them not attractive to the people them ears. This way man sing and where we want bumbo clot ear highway and sing them. No adulterated fire, no weak bumbo clot fire. And I sing about Babylon and Babylon. We know when you burn out Babylon. When you burn out Batman, burn out hypocrisy, burn out raper, burn out the something them where you used to burn out. Burn out girl where you sell pussy and I catch AIDS and them something they bust you. Song them weak. Every day when you get up about bumbo clot, radar man now play a song. If the song them have for the people them want you radar man that have to play it. Him water down him content, so him cannot get no eat. The whole of Rasta them water down them content. That's why them cannot eat. And that is the fucking truth. So make us stop be hypocrite and beat around the bush now.
So people, you know what I want to do? I want to tell me an honest opinion for everything we FOOTA hype say right so. Big man thing. If you don't feel like we FOOTA hype say a real thing or a foolishness they must say, or FOOTA hype is a man we just always attack. Just make me know what you think. Because to me basically still what I must say as what I said before, and a lie I tell you see me. He must spit bare facts, you see me, and basically real talk, the Rasta them for really get up and do what them for do for you. You see me, you're not hearing no Rasta about nothing again like one time sizzla. Furthermore, he must say, Iwan is a man where used to burn out, be a thing, you understand what I mean, and them thing they believe. You see me, Iwan is a man where used to burn out, raping thing and burn out, whoring girl and all them little thing there. You see me, I say viewers and subscribers, so hear what? Just tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say? And just remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. So you don't know how we do the thing already. So you don't know. Peace, I'm out.